Hello, I'm Amada Cruz, the CEO and Sybil Harrington Director of the Phoenix Art Museum. On behalf of everyone at the museum, thank you for your support this past year. With your help, we have brought inspiring art and arts education to so many in our shared community. We brought the world to our city and our city to the world through 30 exhibitions and special installations, and we added more than 500 artworks to our permanent collection of nearly 20,000 objects. We welcomed nearly 270,000 guests to the museum, including almost 50,000 under the age of 17. We hosted nearly 17,000 students on field trips, including more than 7,200 from Title I schools. We provided free admission to more than 2,300 veterans and active duty service members thanks to our MAP at PAM program, generously supported by APS. And we engaged more than 317,000 community members through on-site and off-site enrichment programs. From all of us at Phoenix Art Museum, thank you for all that you do for the arts in our city. When you support your museum through a donation, a ticket, or a visit, you send a powerful message that art matters, that our world is made more whole through the arts, and that is truly revolutionary. I look forward to an even more amazing 2019 as we continue to open doors and ignite imaginations across the valley. Happy New Year to you and your loved ones.